Hi everyone, it's Dr. Edelman here. I just wanted to give you a brief explanation of the 3 assignments that are due this week by Sunday at 11:59 p.m. So first, you are going to do a video introduction, and you're also going to discuss the Habits of the Mind article, which I have included in your course content. So in your video introduction, you are going to state your name, what you do for work, your educational goals, personal goals, why you're taking this course, how this course is going to help you in the field, and then anything else that you would like to share, personal or professional, just anything that's going to help us get to know you better, because it's difficult to get to know our students and our colleagues through virtual space. So this is our attempt at doing that. So in your video, you're going to first introduce yourself, and then you are going to state the habits of the mind that you think that you've already internalized, and select at least 3 that you want to work on throughout this semester. So you're going to see that for every assignment, I'm asking you to discuss the habits of the mind that you used and how you use them and how you're kind of thinking about your own thinking. It's called metacognition. So habits of the mind gets you thinking about your thought process and how you are successful at your goals in terms of assignments for this course. So you're going to pick 3 habits of the mind, and you're going to continue working on them throughout the course. You might find that you want to work on other habits of the mind, or that you've used some that you didn't think you used. So just get to know this document pretty well, because we're going to be working on the habits of the mind throughout this semester. So you're going to create this video on YouTube and then go ahead and upload it to the discussion board, and you are going to respond to at least one of your classmates, just saying hi and getting to know them. For assignment 2, you are going to create a poplet. You see these are my pathetic drawings of poplets right here. So a poplet is essentially a concept map. So like I've mentioned in the syllabus and in the introduction to the syllabus, if you have an issue with the poplet application, you can find another concept mapping application, create your own concept map, but make sure that what you're giving me is in this kind of format, like a concept map format. So what I want you to do is the first concept map, you are going to discuss the 4 essential components of family literacy. Okay, you're going to find this in the National Center for Family Literacy document that I gave you. So the 4 components, and then give me a brief explanation of each. Then you're going to do the habits of mind, and which habits of mind you used for this assignment and how they helped you. Okay, so for assignment 3, you are going to start by first reading chapter 1, and then you are going to discuss and think about how can children's level of literacy be influenced in what are the different ways that we can influence children's levels of literacy. Reflect on the various variables that are emphasized in the chapter and also in your own personal experience, but make sure that you're definitely using information from the chapter, because that's how you're demonstrating your knowledge and your growth from this course, and this is how I'm going to assess you. Then you're going to write a reflection that is interpreting the different variables and challenges that communities face when trying to develop programs to enhance the literacy of children and their families. So your reflection should also include, so that's the first part of your reflection, discuss the variables and challenges as mentioned in chapter 1. Then you're going to include how might the habits of mind serve you as you're working on this week's readings, and as you reflect on your strategies for using the habits of mind, what did it involve? What habits of mind did you use for this assignment? And you're going to upload that assignment to the assignment Dropbox. So once again, all of these assignments are due by Sunday at 11:59 p.m. If you have any questions or concerns, then please do contact me prior to 11:59 p.m. I want you to be able to put forth as much effort as needed to be successful in these assignments. So try not to put them off till the very end. Some of them will take you more time than others, and I'm looking forward to seeing them.